Hi to all, welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you how to download and install Google Fonts in Windows 10 operating system. This is actually the Google Fonts are open source fonts, and the Google Fonts catalog are published under the licenses that allow you to use them on any website, whether it is the commercial or personal usage. Similarly, you can download the fonts to use in mockup tests or documents locally on your machines. That means you can freely download the Google Fonts in your Windows operating system. Later that you can use it for any other usages, like you can use it into the text documents like a notepad, wordpad, or otherwise MS Word from your computer. Yes, or otherwise you can use it for the websites also. Now before going to that one, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. To download the Google Fonts, you have to open a favorite browser. Currently I am selecting a Google Chrome. In this Google Chrome you have to type the Google Fonts, that is Google Fonts. Now it will shows you the website link, that is currently the website is fonts.google.com. This is a link is available for us. Please click on that Google Fonts. When you are clicking, it is taken to the fonts.google.com website. Now it is giving you Google Fonts, and first it is giving the option of, that is the browser fonts, like it is also giving you icons more. This is regarding the icons. I will prepare one more video on this one. First of all, we have the selected categories. You can choose the selected categories, or here serif, sans serif, display, handwriting, monospose related options. I selected all the available categories. You can choose either your requirements. Next one, it is providing you the languages, that is like all languages, Arabic. Now I selected the Arabic. It is giving you on the Arabic formats and whatever the fonts are available for this Arabic language. Similarly, you can choose Bengali, that is Bengali relatedly we have the fonts. Here you can select this one. You can choose any particular options. It is showing you totally 5 of 1048 families for Bengali. Like Arabic, it is giving you 21 of 1048 families are available. When you selected all language, it is giving you 1028 font families are available. From that you can choose according to your requirements. If you are the any other language like a Gujarati or otherwise Kannada, or you can use Latin, Malayalam, Oriya, Tamil as well as Telugu, then when you selected the Telugu, then it is giving you Telugu related fonts which are available. Those are 20 fonts of available on Telugu language out of 1024 families. You can select any one particular font family. Now I am selecting all languages. Similarly, we have the font properties. Font properties, in this one you can use number styles as well as thickness, slant and width. You can adjust these things in the font properties options. Now here, to test that one, we have a sentence option. Currently it is selected the sentence, so the sentence is provided here. Almost before we knew it, we had left the ground. This is the sentence text. Similarly, he is providing a alphabet. Then this is relatedly alphabet styles. It is displaying for us. Similarly, you can go for paragraph. That is a paragraph related styles, models. It is selecting or displaying to us. Later you can choose numerals. Then in the numerals, Pompins, how it is looking, like a Saint Molo, how it is looking, like Chango, how it is looking, like that it is giving you various styles are available. In that you can select the sub styles options, like each and every Chango font, it is we have only one style, but Open Sans it is having 10 styles are available for us. So each and every font family is having the different individual styles. Here Lexant, it is showing you 7 styles are available. So according to that Pompins, those are having 18 styles are available for us. Similarly, when you are going with numerals, after that you can use custom. In the custom you can type the text whatever you would like to use. Currently I am using how to download and install Google Fonts. Yes, this is the my custom text. Based on the custom text, it is giving you how it will looks your font are available for us and which style it is recommended to use. For example, after that one I am selecting Pompins. In the Pompins we have 18 styles. Now I am selecting this one. It goes to the next page. In that one it is showing you the available styles for us. This is thin 100, a thin 100 italic, like extra light 200, like another one is extra light 200 italic, then it is the light 300. If you are interested or if you want to use this style, here press the plus button, select this style. Now it is added to us. Similarly, if you are interested to use one more thing, that is we can use medium of 500, select this style. Yes, it is also added to us. Later medium 500 italic, then you can make two styles. Similarly, I am using semi bold 600. Yes, add. Next one semi bold 600 italic. Now I have selected these fonts are available to us. Next one, again I am going to the browse fonts. In that one I am selecting another font like Sign Mono. It is one font is style is available to us. I am giving this one as select this style. Later go to browse fonts. Later you can select any other fonts, like I am selecting Chango. In that one it is having some styles like a regular 400. I am also adding this one. Go to again browse fonts. From that you can select any other things like a Lato, or otherwise you can select Roboto. In that Roboto I am selecting, it is having the 6 styles are available. Now you can choose this Roboto. From that you can select either this is select this fonts of light 300 and light 300 italic. Yes, I added this one. So similarly I need these interested fonts are available to us, I required. So you can go to this option view selected families. From that one you can use download all. Now it is downloading all the selected fonts from your selections. Yes, now pressing the show all, it is having show folder. In that one we have a downloaded options. In this one zip file you have to extract that one. To extract I am using extract to, I am extracting this one to the desktop. Yes, I selected on the desktop. I am creating a one folder for us, that is new folder. The folder name is fonts, like Google Fonts. Yes. Make it okay. Now all these fonts are extracted into on the desktop. That is in the desktop you have a this one. Yes, in this one it is showing you the available fonts which you downloaded, like a Chango, Pompins, like a Roboto, as well as Sino. Go to the Pompins. In that one you can select and choose this one. If you are clicking on the Pompins blank, it is showing you can make install. Now it is installing one font. If you are interested to use, select multiple fonts and you can make this one install. Now it is installing 8 fonts out of 9, so it is installing 9 fonts. Yes, go to back Google Fonts. These are installed in the one particular way. Another procedure is you can press the Windows key. In the Windows key press settings. In this settings we have a personalization. In the personalization go to fonts category. In this one he is telling drag and drop to install, means drag the font files from the file explorer or your desktop and drop them here to install the fonts your devices. Now I am going to the Chango, and in this one I am dragging this Chango regular. Yes, I place it here. It is installed. Like you can go to another options like Roboto, and in this one you can drag Roboto Sense. Yes, and you can use one another things. These will be automatically installed. If you want to check here available fonts, use here Roboto. Yes, now it is showing you Roboto with 8 fonts. Similarly, you can choose Chango. Yes, it is giving you Chango with 1 font face. Similarly, I have given Pompins. Yes, in the Pompins of we have totally 9 font faces are available. Those all are installed in your machine. Then if you want to use these fonts with your operating systems or otherwise with any text editor, use Notepad. In this Notepad you can type any text. Hello, this is new fonts of Google. For this, go to format menu. In this one, use font. In this fonts, give the font name, that is I am using Pompins. Yes, it is giving Pompins. In the Pompins currently we have bold, bold italic, extra bold italic, black, black italic. Now I am selecting the extra bold italic. It is having the available sizes 28. Now make it okay. Now your font is changed to the Pompins. Like if you want to use Roboto, go to the format menu, select the font. In this type Roboto. Yes, it is giving you the Roboto font. In that one we have the available styles. Currently it is giving like a light or italic. Next one, condensed bold. Yes, like it is giving you the options bold italic, like black italic. You can select it and choose the size. Automatically your font will be changes. Like this we can simply or freely you can download and install the Google Fonts into the Windows 10 operating system. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications.